Track 70.
Hi, my name's Paolo, and I'm going to talk to you about my pet hamster, Cheeks. I decided on this name because he loves to fill his cheeks with his favorite food, seeds and grains. I fill his bowl with food twice a day, and it's important that he always has fresh water in his water bottle too. Hamsters are very active, so it's a good idea to buy an exercise wheel for their cage. Cheeks loves it. He's got a ladder too, as he's a great climber. I clean out Cheeks' cage once a week. I clean the bottom with soap and water, and I put down fresh bedding. Hamsters are clean animals. They organize an area in their cage for sleeping and another for their toilet area. They clean and groom themselves regularly too by licking their fur. Believe it or not, a hamster's teeth never stop growing. So it's a good idea to give it wood juice or a hard dog biscuit to keep your hamster's teeth short.